In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a Discord server on mobile. So come to your homepage and find the server that you'd like to report, and then simply tap on the banner of the server just above the name. From here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom and you should see the option to report server. So tap on that, and then from here press next, and it'll ask you what you would like to report. So if you would like to report the server name, then you simply tick that. So just choose whatever category it falls into, then press next, and then you need to report what is actually wrong with it. So if it's abuse, you would tap abuse or harassment, and then it might ask you for more detail. So then finally you'll get to your report summary, which will ask you to just submit it at the bottom. So that's how to report a Discord server on mobile. Thank you for watching.